What do you think, Bone?
That's meant to be anti-thieving.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
I don't know.
You up for another turkey dinner tomorrow?
Yeah.
Sitting here watching a little Bill T-Max struggle with a box. Apparently he bought a new GoPro case and he was struggling to get into the container for it there. Sacrificing for his viewers, putting it in the old sandblaster booth. And what we have here is some rutabagas, otherwise known as turnips. They're glorious when done properly. Right now we're steaming them in the old Black & Decker steamer, and then we'll take and mash them, add of course brown sugar to them, a little bit of milk and butter, and then we'll re-bake them, and they're very good, right? So what do you got going on today? What did you do this morning?
I went to the wreath sale.
Fundraiser for the Cub Scouts and the Boy Scouts. Selling wreaths and bake sale. Alright.
Yep.
So, right now, oh, sounds like the wash is done. In the oven we have, let's see if I can do this without burning my hands. Taking a butternut squash with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, and some brown sugar. We'll bake that up a night early. What are you doing?
Not much. What are you
Huh?
doing?
What are you on the internet?
Yeah. You still gotta
On
go.
the beats?
Yeah. You still gotta go
Got the
up.
beats going? Right on. What do you got going on? What's the face for?
Not much. Cleaning.
Women in this house are nuts, I tell you. Anyways, the only video we have today is parts of stuff that we made in the last few days when our internet was out. So, the hyper cleaning off the cars, and probably a little bit more snowmobile stuff. Somebody's having snowmobile withdrawals. He didn't get to ride today. Wait a minute, you did go out today. But I didn't do any filming of that. And our house isn't moving. I'm in a rocking chair right now. She don't know we're recording her right now. She don't know. She's got her beads on. She don't know. Oh, look at it. It's very blurry. Yeah, this one's going to be 15 in a few weeks. Week before Christmas, man. What the? No. Man. Alright, here we go. Look at the determination in them eyes. Look at the snow. It's like hanging over the side of the truck. Really? Where's the wind now? What's up, Bone? Look at the lamppost. Got a foot of snow on top of it. Oh! Alright, this is our Christmas cactus. Anybody know anything about Christmas cactuses? This one's in bloom a little early. But this thing here has been in the family. This is just a piece that's been in the family since this lady right here, which is my father's mother, my father's father. When she got married, she was given a Christmas cactus. And this is just an offspring from that same Christmas cactus. This lady's been dead for, oh God, almost 20 years. So, you know, this is an offspring from a plant that was about 100 years old or better. Pretty neat. And it comes out once a year. And we only have one at the moment. They are kind of cool.
24.
So pretty.
What about your maroon one?
Look at them.
They're the same size, aren't they? Yeah, but I don't understand why the black ones are
Must be taking a break.
tight. That would look nice with that Carly, that sweater.
Oh, what is this? What is it? Red Sox, eh?
Yep.
All right. Whoa, okay, all right.